Namaste, dear yogis. My name is Geny Caloisi from Chai Yoga. Today I wanted to share with you the Bhramari breath. Bhramari breath is like a humming bee, and it's an amazing breath to allow your nervous system to relax and to also get your sinuses clear and the vibration of your voice calming your mind. It's ideal for a nice night's sleep. So you're going to use both hands and indicate your sense organs. So you will put your little fingers by your mouth, your ring fingers by your nose, and your middle finger and index finger will gently resting onto your eyes. With your thumbs, you're going to be closing your ears. This will make the resonance of your humming bee sound come all over your skull. So the sound is like an om, but with the mouth closed, like this. And you do it as long as you can. As nobody will be listening, because you will all be with your ears closed, just make sure that you let your om be really long, really vibration throughout your body. So let's try it out. Fingers will be covering the ears on the thumbs, fingers by the sides of the sense organs. For the purpose of this video, I will always only do one, but you will be advised to do at least 3. Enjoy! Amazing. That's only one. Enjoy 3 more or 2 more. Namaste.